All right, everybody, welcome. And you know what can make you welcome even better? Well, smash the like button and subscribe to the tastylive channel. Come on, show us some love. Don't make me beg here. I don't look good when I'm begging. And you know what I'm begging to do in BE, Bloom Energy, which doesn't have the greatest option markets. So watch your pricing. I did it for you. Let's take a look at it. Bloom Energy here today, up, well, it was up around $8 when I put this trade on. It's up $7.18, about 4.5% move here. Look at the high in Bloom Energy, 1890, but more importantly, look at the Ivy rank, 58, quite high. Now, as these stocks go higher, and this stock was only $133, I mean, it was $133 only 2 or 3 days ago, and it was basically 10 days ago, 180. So this has an over $40 expected move in the time frame that I'm looking at. What is that time frame? Well, we're going to go to the trade page and take a look at it right now. 37 days, about a $42, $41.69 expected move. But look at this implied volatility, $111. I'm going to show you something that I challenge you to find another $160 to $200 stock, to find another stock that's trading at that price, under 200 bucks, where you're able to put on a 1/2 ratio spread on the call side, $20 wide. Where am I going? I'm going to the 200 strike, which is really showing you that expected move in that gray line, and I'm going to buy one of those. I'm going to sell 2 of the 220 calls. So I'm buying 1 of the 200s, selling 2 of the 220s, and I did that for a mid price of $1.80 when the stock was up around $8. So maybe you can get $1.80, maybe you can get $1.85. I wouldn't imagine you'd get a lot more than that with the stock up around $8. Now, if volatility keeps expanding, then you certainly will. Look at this trade as a standalone trade. 90% pop. Mid price is going to be a little bit skewed here when you're taking a look at this, because you've got these markets, you know, a little bit wide here, 70 cents. Sometimes they go out to $1. But I got filled with the stock up $8 at $1.80. You should be able to get around that same price too. 90% pop, $184 in extrinsic. That's how much we're selling this for. Short 11 deltas. And truth be told, I would like to be a little bit long BE, but not at this price. Too much, too far. My break even, over $240. Now, what was the old high? Closer to 180 and change in Bloom Energy. Now, you've got a $40 expected move, which brings you right to 200. That's why I'm buying that 200 call. So what I'm trying to say here is I want Bloom Energy, well, to go lower. I make money anywhere. That's this green line all the way into perpetuity, but I make my $1.80 or so. Max profit on this trade is a little over $2,000. Why? Because at 220, this 220 call spread will be worth $2,000 plus whatever credit you receive for selling this trade. Now, this is not for the faint of heart, because this 100% implied volatility means this is going to be a mover. And I showed you already that it was $130. It's been $180. This is for those traders to put on 1/2 if you're a 5 or 10 lot trader. This is not for those traders that usually trade 2 contracts or 1 contract, even though the buying power in a margin account is significantly low at $2,000. This is for the trader who wants to put something on in Bloom Energy that just says the tail risk is just too exaggerated for what's going on in Bloom Energy. All right, everybody, thank you so much for your time. Now, please, I'm going to ask you for one more big ask. Bring your account to tastytrade, the #1 brokerage firm in the galaxy. Help us keep all the lights on here at tastylive.